What did Maria Callas die with? Two.
And what you choose to stand against, that defines you.
Angelina Jolie in secret legal battle over her New York City studio as she continues her long-standing vicious court battle with her ex, Brad Pitt. Angelina Jolie is in a secret legal battle over her New York City studio as she continues her long-standing vicious court battle with her ex, Brad Pitt, over their French vineyard.
Legendary opera singer Maria Callas in her
Rescue Cheetah she's been sponsoring since 2015.
The U.S. Sun has exclusively learned that Angelina, 50, has found herself in yet another protracted legal battle, this time over the name of her Manhattan art studio, Atelier Jolie, which opened in November 2023. The Maleficent actress's art collective is housed in a two-story graffiti-strewn building.
Maria Callas die with? Two.
And what you choose to stand against, that defines you.
When your children are your best friends,
It encompasses a bohemian mix of art residences, clothing design, workshops, and a cafe run by refugees. At issue is that there is already a firm out there with the same name and with a very similar function. According to documents, Angelina applied to trademark Atelier Jolie in May of 2022, but when the application was finally published in the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office Gazette in March 2024,
when you've felt a certain level of despair.
The more I learned, the more I realized.
it was immediately opposed by another art business with the same name. The other Atelier Jolie is based in Easton, Pennsylvania, and is also a trendy gallery for up-and-coming artists with an attached cafe. The owner is Amnaya Jolie Abdu, an artist, curator, and entrepreneur. In a filing, Amnaya claimed to be operating her business, located in Easton, Pennsylvania, since 2021 under the Atelier Jolie moniker.
But Angelina, seen here at the Venice.
And they helped to block the door that nobody else was coming.
Up to the wildlife activist.
According to documents filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, Amnaya demanded that Angelina's trademark application be refused. The notice of opposition filing stated, since at least as early as 2021, a poser has been regularly and continuously using the mark Atelier Jolie.
Once the youngest kids, twins.
Not just look after the land.
We are just a family.
Atelier Jolie mark is primarily used to identify and promote art and design studio goods and services featuring the works of Amnaya Jolie Abdu, managing member of applicant, which include but are not limited to custom art pieces, apparel and luxury wear, paintings, sculptures, pottery, prints, posters, and other custom merchandise and artistic works.
And they helped to block the door that nobody else was coming.
Up to the wildlife activist. The Harvard's Bazaar.
Amnaya added that her business has created significant goodwill and consumer recognition in the Atelier Jolie mark through its continued use and expenditure of significant time, effort, and money in advertising and promotion. Opposers and applicants' Atelier Jolie marks are identical in spelling and therefore are also identical in sight, sound, and commercial impression.
And Angelina references her past.
For the environment.
Also on this trip to Africa.
What did Maria Callas die?
Opposer, Atelier Jolie LLC, respectfully requests that the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board sustain this opposition and refuse registration of the mark Atelier Jolie for applicants' goods and services. Angelina's team has attempted to rebuff Amnaya's claims, saying that there would be no confusion between the two businesses.
The Harvard's Bazaar.
Hiatus.
It is under control. It's under.
Plays legendary opera singer Maria Callas in her
Rescue
Now, the lawyers for both parties are negotiating a settlement, which could mean Angelina will have to fork over money to use the name. Angelina's attorneys argued one or more of opposers' claims are barred on the grounds that there is no actual competition between opposer and Jolie, and it is virtually impossible for there to be a likelihood of confusion.
Also on this trip to Africa.
What did Maria Callas die with? Two.
And what you choose to.
One or more of opposers' claims as to its alleged common law marks are barred on the grounds that opposer has failed to establish an earlier continuous and exclusive use of its alleged mark with respect to goods and services. That's what we can say. Don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. We thank you all for your support.
It's on demand.
Plays legendary opera singer Maria Callas in her
Rescued Cheetah she's been sponsoring since 2015.
on.